A mixed week this week. Oil and gas closed lower than last Friday, whilst power contracts closed higher. Let's take a look at the week in a bit more detail. Despite new lockdown restrictions in place, market participants remain optimistic that oil demand will resume, and as a result, prices made marginal gains. Front-month Brent rose 11 cents per barrel day on day. Tuesday's session was bullish. Brent gained just over $1 per barrel as agreed US stimulus packages strengthened optimism that oil demand would recover. And although prices continued to rise on Wednesday, the trajectory was slower than the previous day. By Thursday, prices eased following the unexpected rise in stocks. Last night, front-month Brent closed at $56.04 per barrel, up $1.26 per barrel compared to last Friday. Gas contracts weakened on Monday as temperature forecasts were revised higher, along with losses in the Asian markets, which means that LNGs are less inclined to be sent there. As a result, the UK is expecting 4 LNG cargoes to arrive by the end of January. All contracts firmed on Tuesday despite bearish supply and demand fundamentals. Wednesday's session saw most contracts ease as demand was below seasonal norm and temperatures also returning to the seasonal norm. Most contracts continue to soften throughout Thursday, once again driven by a bearish supply and demand outlook. Overall though, it's been a mixed week. Last night near-term contracts closed lower than last Friday. April 21 to March 23 contracts rose and contracts beyond April 23 closed flat. Power prices eased on Monday, taking direction from weaker gas. Also adding to the downward pressure was the increase in wind generation. Curve contracts traded higher on Tuesday, again in line with gas. Stronger trading across carbon and coal markets further supported the gains. Front months February and March continued to trade lower throughout Wednesday. However, curve contracts closed relatively flat with little direction either way. In contrast to gas, power prices rose on Thursday, despite wind generation peaking at 12 gig thanks to the remnants of Storm Christoph. Last night, front-month contracts eased while curve contracts closed up between 1% and 3% compared to last Friday. You can download the full version of this report from our website. As always, thanks for watching and we'll see you next week.